Hi, I'm very happy to announce that I'm starting full stack web development course on YouTube channel. I'll start from a very basic level so that those who don't know about it could learn it with us. Then I'll gradually jump to higher levels. In this course, you will learn HTML and HTML5, CSS and CSS3, JavaScript and jQuery, and PHP. For front-end designing, you will learn HTML and CSS. To make your sites interactive, you will learn JavaScript. For database connectivity and back-end development, you will learn PHP. I'm super excited for this journey, and to keep me motivated, please support me by subscribing the channel and liking the videos. But before I actually end the video, let me tell you that for backend development, you can also use Python, Flask, and Django framework. And we have started complete Python bootcamp on Skillshare. If you are interested in learning Python completely, I'll give the link down below. And I hope you will enjoy it. Bye bye and have a nice day.